Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is goodness, your characteristics, how you have grown. Oh, how you have grown and how beautiful you look. Because when you feel good, you look good. Your aura just reaches farther than the normal reach from when you're in a stressed or depressed mode. No, you have worked your way out of the wilderness. And you have so many great characteristics such as patience coming out, and it looks good on you. I refine my character and overcome difficulties by remaining positive. I calm my heart and illuminate my intellect to transform shadow into light. I consciously manifest goodness in and around me. I improve my qualities for the benefit of all. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.